guys, Wayne from 101 Animation, and this is going to be about character design and using reference. So over here, I picked this photo out of a guy in a zoot suit, and I'm doing a real quick scratch test right now. I'm just laying it in, and I'm not pushing it that much. I'm getting familiar with the pose. You can see I've tilted the head more. I've tilted the shoulders more, made the shoulders more broad, and the feet bigger. I mean, I've exaggerated it, but I'm just getting familiar with the costume and everything. And right now, I'm just going in, putting in the final graphite line over my underdrawing here. Still just trying to get familiar with the character, which is important because once I get to know the pose and the different shapes, I can exaggerate it. So here's our first guy in the linear drawing. And now I'm going to come in and I'm going to put in the tones and values really quick, just to be able to see those big shapes really clear. I'm going to exaggerate like the shirt. I'm not going to make everything of the same value as the reference, but it is push. So there he is right there. There's the first character. Now, I'm still referring to the reference, but now I'm just changing it. It's going to be a shorter guy. This time he's got a gun. He's a gangster. He's looking straight at us here. And both of those views, number one and this one, are just more straight on shots. And here I'm just putting in the tie down lines. This one is a bit more graphic, more of a cartoon, comic book type flat graphic style. But again, because I did the first one, I was able to pull this one off because I was more familiar with it. So there he is. There's the finished second one. So here's one that I'm using. I'm going out of my head here. He's in perspective. We're looking down on him a little bit more, putting in the detail. I'm not worried so much if it looks like the reference. I'm using a different brush. This is more of a pen brush that I'm using. Give it more of that pen feel. And there's the final linear drawing. Come in real quick, and I put in the values and the tones very quickly just to be able to see everything clearly. And it has a different feel. I like the way the pen feels. And here he is looking up at us, and it's a down shot. Put in some highlights right there. Here we got the three characters. Did number one to the left, the middle one, more graphic, and then the one on the right, they're the finished ones, but they were all off of the same reference. I hope this helps you guys, and thank you for watching.